Partners need landing pages and web content to promote campaigns, but building microsites and updating websites manually leads to inconsistent branding, limited visibility, and lost leads. ZINFI Microsites and web syndication provide partners with ready-to-use, brand-approved digital experiences that are centrally managed and easy to deploy. Admins can create and manage campaign-aligned microsites from a centralized library, searchable, sortable, and easy to govern. Each microsite is linked to a campaign, uses a predefined UI/UX package, and includes a live preview link for validation. Admins define each microsite's structure by configuring pages such as Home, Products, Documents, and Contact, and by controlling the page order and default landing behavior. Using Manage Content or the option to upload zipped HTML content, teams can rapidly deploy branded content, assets, and layouts. Visibility configuration ensures that the right microsites are accessible to the right partners based on country, language, user, or group. Web syndication enables admins to create embeddable campaign showcases that partners can publish directly on their websites. Each showcase is linked to a campaign, assigned a UI/UX package, and structured with pages similar to a microsite. Partners can preview their assigned microsites and web showcases and then promote them directly, without building anything from scratch. Prospects experience consistent branding across landing pages and partner websites, with clear navigation, rich content, and effective calls to action. Built-in contact forms capture leads directly from microsites, helping partners convert traffic into opportunities. With ZINFI Microsites and web syndication, marketing teams deliver branded digital experiences at scale, while partners deploy, promote, and convert without complexity.